What if a tiny sensor could not only detect a magnet, but also measure how strong the magnetic field is? Today, in day 29 of our 37 Sensors Challenge, we're using an analog Hall sensor to detect magnetic field strength and control. We need an Arduino UNO, an analog Hall sensor module, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now, let's look at the connections. Connect the VCC pin of the analog Hall sensor to 5 volts and the analog output pin to analog pin A0 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect the positive terminal of an LED to digital PWM pin 9 and the negative terminal to ground. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously monitor the magnetic field strength and adjust the LED brightness accordingly, and upload the code. And the serial monitor displays the sensor values in real time. Now let's test it. Bring a magnet close to the analog Hall sensor. As the magnet gets closer, the LED brightness changes according to the magnetic field strength. Move the magnet away, and the LED gradually dims. This simple project demonstrates how magnetic field sensing works and is commonly used in speed detection, position sensing, current measurement, contactless switches, and industrial automation systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech. Stay connected for day 30 of the 37 Sensors.